Hello and welcome to my channel. I'll demonstrate today how simple and cost-free it is to make AI-generated QR art. So let's get started. Make a QR code as a first step. Visit the Quick QR Art page to begin producing a QR code. Any QR code you choose can be generated, including ones for text, emails, locations, phone numbers, SMS, WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom, Wi-Fi passwords, vCards, events, PayPal, and Bitcoin. I'll create a QR code for my YouTube channel in this illustration. Additionally, you may alter the image's size, color, style, add a logo, and frame. Click the Save button once everything has been configured. Download the PNG version of the QR code. Next step, join the Quick QR AI Discord. You need a Discord account in order to utilize this AI tool. Click the Join Beta Now button on the Quick QR Art website, followed by the Accept Invite button. Click on the Pastebin bot channel. Upload your QR picture to the Pastebin bot channel by clicking on the plus icon. Then hit Enter. Click on your QR code and right-click on the image and choose Copy Image Address. Next, click on the PixelML bot channel. Type / and then click Generate. After the prompt parameter, type your prompt. Specify the kind of image you wish to produce. I'll create a picture of a tiger for this example. If necessary, optional arguments can be added. Then, following the URL parameter, paste the QR code image address you copied before. To begin creating your AI QR picture, press Enter. It's simple to create QR AI graphics. However, you must put in more work to get a stunning, scannable image. We appreciate you viewing our AI instruction video. To support our work, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming AI lesson video.